How to get rid of hiccups.
Because she has to stop breathing. She has to stop.
I know he's telling.
And that,
It's YouTube right there. Now you gotta say
Get
it,
off of
Gerard.
me.
How to get rid of hiccups.
I'm telling you, I know.
Okay,
See what
it's
happens.
empty.
See what happens.
Let's see.
I don't hear anything.
Let's see if the hiccup cures work. This is going to be a YouTube moment.
You know, I don't want my secret given away for
You
nothing.
know how many people will want to see that video? You'll cure hiccups all over the world, Gerard.
I don't want people to see it.
oh no.
You're still hiccuping? No, you're not.
I am.
Is it cured? No. They- You got to be 18.
Do you really?
Yep. I haven't taken that many this. Where's Joan taking a shower?
She's taking a little nap. She thinks her dog is tired.
Oh, the dog's up there. Yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower.
A little pressure on the kids, you know, kind of, when they lose.
Oh yeah.
But just, you know, let them get as far as they get. You know how hard it is just to get the
I
same
know.
record? You gotta win 20-something games,
Yeah.
and you can only lose one. If you lose two, you don't get there.
They are now floating past the house.
Wow. That is awesome. So close.
And we have half of them stuck on the island.
I don't know, are they, oh yeah.
Did they make it to the dock?
It's on record.
To help his arthritis, the spinny ball.
Oh, the ball.
I know, but
Oh, hi, Daly. Stop it. You're fine.
Mario.
I mean, it was on my already up on
I have a friend. Are you seriously?
Yeah, there's lots of glass apparently. I don't have water juice. So you're supposed to smile. Papa got mad at Bailey when she didn't look at the camera.
Hey, Pop.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, you're not videotaping anymore. Someone's...
I am too videotaping.
No, she had to do it yesterday.
Oh. Hi, Ani.
Hey, Brian.
Bailey, go get this.